Legends of Learning presents the Meow Media Medium game. This is a history game that makes learning about media and public opinion fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, use the mouse to click to select news items that support or mislead the public opinion. Use news headlines to influence perceptions on magic and reduce misinformation in the area by checking sources with professional opinions to verify if misinformation is true or false. Complete each minigame to learn more about how media can influence public opinion. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.
My media powers sense a new problem in the village. Villagers want to be well informed, whether good or bad. We'll have to check. We have a